This video is instructional and for teaching purposes for anybody that needs to know or wants to learn how to load their magazine and their firearm safely. Handgun. Safely.
Alright, so I'm going to be teaching you. Which one do you want to use?
I use mine.
You want to use yours? Okay. So what gun is this?
This is the hellcatpro. It's by Springfield Armory.
Okay. And these are dummy rounds.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's use the speed loader that came with your candy. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to do it without the speed loader. Okay, so okay, show me what gun we're using.
We are using the Springfield Armory hellcatpro. It's chambered in 9mm.
Okay, so first you want to push the mag release.
That can be located here.
Okay.
That's standard, like
most of the time
on most pistols.
Okay.
There's other variations of it.
Okay. So how do you load them?
You need to make sure your gun is safe. So you can look down and you can see there's nothing in there. The mag is also out, so as you can tell, completely clear.
Make sure you keep your finger off the trigger at all times.
Never have your finger on the trigger unless you're ready to destroy whatever is behind that gun.
So here's where you keep your finger.
Mm-hmm.
And try to keep it there at all times. And how do you pull the slide back?
I usually push right here from the front to the back.
And you want to check to make sure the barrel has not got anything in it.
Yep,
down
right there.
The barrel.
Finger always away from the trigger.
Okay, and you ease it down. Okay. Now, this is your magazine.
The magazine.
Okay. So what do you do first?
You take this. This is a little bit harder for me without the thing. You push down and push back, but I struggle a little bit with the Hellcats mag. So you push down and then back.
Okay, do that right. Do another one.
Sometimes you can take and push down on the back if you need a little assist to get started, but you push down and back.
Now, the further you go, the harder it will get to load.
Yes. It gets terrible, especially when you get down towards 15.
Somewhere, not back here, but in front of this little lip here is where you kind of want to push down. You don't push down here at the tip, kind of back here.
I always struggle with this. Push down and you push back.
Okay, now let's try the speed loader. She went to go get the speed loader for her Hellcat. And while she's doing that, I'm going to start getting her some breakfast here. Oh, I think it's coming back. It's a lot easier to use. You go down, push it all the way back, and then come up with the thing.
Okay.
Go get it.
I usually just struggle through the process and just do it manually.
You got that, huh? See?
This one is a lot easier than the mechanic one.
Yeah, just make sure you push it all the way down.
Yeah.
You almost got it.
Okay. So yeah, I would recommend the one that is for your gun.
Okay,
yeah, it's like way better.
Okay, that's enough. Alright, now, I'm going to show you how to load your handgun. Okay? So what do you do first?
This goes in here.
Yeah. Okay. Now, aim it in a safe direction. Even though we know it's got dummy rounds in it, you always point your gun in a safe direction.
Always treat your firearm as if it is loaded.
100%.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're going to grab it here, and you're going to pull it all the way back, and then just let go, let it fall. Okay, did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, we're going to demonstrate as if your firearm was loaded and you needed to unload it. What do you do?
So first you want to do, always keep your finger away from the trigger. Keep it safe direction. Drop your magazine.
Okay.
So we have confirmed magazine's dropped. You want to take and pull back on your slide and eject your round. As you can see, it's clear.
Okay, now let's do this again. So put your magazine in and load it again. Try doing it back here. It might be a little more comfortable, yeah. Okay, now what's more comfortable for you, the front or the back?
The front. The front's more comfortable for me.
If the front's more comfortable, do that.
So see, I can just
Me personally, I don't like putting my hand in the front. It's just because I don't like my hand in front of the barrel. We're having sausage and eggs, scrambled eggs, and some coffee to still get the water heated up. Oh, burned it away. Oh, that's fine. That's how she likes it. And always put a little bit of milk. I'll put it on the stove off. Alright, now I'm going to cook us some scrambled eggs. Color is it has the sausage grease in here I cooked it with, but that sausage has maple syrup in it, so there's a little maple syrup mixed in here with the eggs. I forgot to bring a and here's our breakfast. Here's how I use these dry. What are these things called? It's instant coffee. Here's how we make instant coffee. And this is measured to the correct amount. The spoon is. That's why we use this kind. We add a little water first. Just did you shut off the battery now? Okay, now it's ready with hot water.
That is clean.
Oh, everything's clean. I didn't dirty nothing.
If you like this comment, please be comment.
You're fine.
If you like this content, please be sure to like and subscribe and look at my breakfast. Isn't it beautiful?
Does it taste good?
Yeah. It is delicious. Something cool to show on the channel today, and we're gonna unbox it. It's from Taurus. today we have something special to unbox from Taurus. So we have the Taurus Tracker 692. And what's cool about this firearm is this cylinder allows it to shoot .357. This cylinder allows it to shoot 9mm. It also shoots .38 Special. This gun takes moon clips. So what's cool about this, like I was saying, it shoots multiple calibers. And possibly .380. I'm not sure on the .380 yet. We just heard about that today. So we'll see about that one though. But I want to show you guys the gun up close. It is a beautiful revolver. If you would like to see anything filmed with this firearm, please let us know and we will get to it. Like that. So here it is, up close. It has a really good grip on it. Take this off. Here's the sights. Don't worry guys, it's completely unloaded. It's beautiful.